love teachers. I love what you do, what you stand for. You guys are the real heroes.
I asked to meet with you because you come highly recommended as the best sub on the call sheet.
That's a somewhat dubious endorsement.
I'm Mr. Barthes. For those of you who haven't heard, this is English 11A. I understand you're angry. I used to be very angry, too.
So what's your story?
My story?
What happened to you?
Between you and me, you look like you got more problems than me.
I watch you around school, and you always seem so sad. Maybe you need someone to talk to.
A faceless man in an empty room. Is that how you see me, Meredith?
Do you ever think about who your teachers were on the outside?
Shut up!
The worst thing about this job is that nobody says thank you. Well, I am here to say thank you.
I know how important it is to have guidance, to have someone help.